What is spirit? Let's find out. There are two kinds of God creations: angels and human being. And human being made out of the dust, and angels is according Jesus Christ. There is no bones and flesh, so we cannot see it. It look like a air. So the angels cannot become a human being, although they can masquerade of human being, and human being cannot be transformed into a human spirit or holy angels. The angel, they call it Holy Spirit and holy angels, and we cannot see it, holy angels, and the human being cannot be angels. And you know the truth, my friend, and the truth will set you free. Bye bye now.